Hey, it's Dave, and today I get to drive a golf cart around to play disc golf, even though I make more incorrect references and jokes than Shooter McGavin. Fifth Cannon? It's time for Extreme Golf Cart Makeover, right now, on GCG TV.
Hey, welcome to Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. We want to thank Robbie and everyone at New World Sports Complex in Jacksonville for a great time. We'll be back to drive golf carts around and throw more frisbees at palm trees for sure. 5 different courses. Awesome place. Hey, congratulations on unlocking the Secret Menu Season 1.5. Think of it like DVD bonus features. We're making a couple episodes in the off-season just for fun. We hope you'll join us in the spring for Season 2 as we get back to serious business with a full MadJax customization on an EZGO TXT, complete with Sweepstakes Prizes, tips and tricks, lots of bad jokes, and beautiful custom parts. But today, we're looking at an antique 3-wheel EZGO cart that someone asked us to remove from their property. We thought it would be at least good for a few interesting photos or something, so we brought it home to the garage to check it out. And in the interest of your valuable time, here's a spoiler alert. We're not going to get it running. We're going to turn it into what basically amounts to a really fun lawn ornament, but we'll show our math. I'll admit, this vehicle predates my mechanical knowledge by a year or two, and we couldn't even figure out exactly what model it was, so we called the serial number into EZGO, and their response was essentially, new phone. Who dis? But after some research, we were able to determine a few things. It's about my age and in overall better shape, which is kind of insulting, but it does show that they really don't make them like they used to. It began life as number 21 on a golf course somewhere and was painted more than once. And maybe most importantly, making it run again would not be worth the investment to us, so we decided to name it Tripod, make it our mascot, and have a little fun. First things first, to save our friend here from the boneyard, we had to start by tearing down and cleaning up. We removed the roof and seat backs to get ready for surface prep to paint, and then we began to completely gut the engine compartment. We did this for 2 reasons. One, it was fun to take apart. And 2, it reduced the weight significantly and made the cart easier to move. The guy next door to us kept referring to this as a golf cart cleanse. I'm not saying he's the reason we moved to a new studio, but things will look a bit different in Season 2 of our series. Next, we decided to break out the cutoff wheel and remove the old seat back mounts. Is this really necessary? Of course not, but I mean, power tools. Am I right? We got out the sander to prep the surface for paint. We're hoping for a beautiful finish that will stand up to some abuse because we have plans to turn this out-of-service tricycle into a really fun target game and give it a nice retirement. Next time, we'll look at painting the top and body and see some of the fun extras we came up with for this project, and we'll show you the finished result in part 2 of this mini season. So don't miss out on the rest. And if you need help with your cart, stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.